Good morning to all of you. Today in our ksvm Vidya Mandir Sainik schools, our students are preparing the models. The models are different models. Then they will go to the Vibhag level. After Vibhag, then they have to go on Prant level, state level you can say, and regional level, then all India level. Science students, they are the new scientists, baby scientists. They are thinking about it. We feel by the help of our students, our country will get strong.
This is the model of the circulatory system, in which its main components are blood vessels and heart.
This is a model of hologram which work on a holography principle, and it shows the reflection of the figure in 3D on the glass pane.
This model is showed as how urine is produced.
I'm Sabdev, and
I am Ritesh Kumar.
this model shows that day and night. This model shows that how day and night occur.
Myself Ayushi from a standard 10th. My model is hemodialysis. When kidney does not work properly, we need a procedure known as hemodialysis. Hemodialysis means filtration of blood, and this is the system of hemodialysis.
We have made some the process of water cycle. Water cycle includes many.
Good morning friends, here we make a model of maths model and application of trigonometry, and in this model we take some buildings, trees and tower and clinometry.
Good morning everyone, I am Vartika Nandi from class 9E. I have made a model of congruency of triangle. I have given only 3 criteria: SSS, SAS and RHS.
Good morning, I am Akriti Shri from class 9A, and I have made a model on algebraic identities which we have to learn in class 9. In this I have written all the 8 identities that we use in our daily life to solve equations and polynomials.
Good morning to all of you. This is Kushi Kumari with Shreya. Our model is based on Thales theorem. As we know that according to Thales theorem, any line that is parallel to any side of the triangle divide the triangle into the same proportion.
Hi everyone, this is Aman Raj from class 10A, and today I have made a working model based on trigonometry with the help of my classmate Sakshi Shrestha.
Good morning everyone. Today I made a model based on the trigonometry. This is called clinometer, through which angles can be measured.
Model of quadrilateral. In this there are 6 types of quadrilateral: square, rectangle, trapezium, parallelogram, rhombus and kite.
Then I am Aman Patel from class 9A. Here I am here to with the model of quadrilateral and its theorem. How we prove the area and the volume of the quadrilateral.
Hello, I am Anshuman Kumar of class 10A. Today I have made a theorem of Pythagoras theorem proving it and a quiz game.
Hello everybody, I Alokash from Standard 9E is here to present electromagnetic induction model for the science exhibition. The electromagnetic induction works wirelessly and the LED bulb glows.
Faraday Kishore. This model based on saving energy and modern farming. So that types of crop we required a more amount of water, and second level is less than third level, and third level.
Hello everyone, my name is Nikhil Raj and with me Harsh Raj. Today science model day and night earth rotation, मून और डे और रात में यही हो रहा है, इसी कारण हम दिन और रात हो रहा है ग्रेविटी.
This is a model of a urinary system, kidney through arteries and filter blood in kidney.
Model, this is Newton Kedrick and I am telling that how this is work.
sir. So here we have made a Google Assistant by coding with the help of an app called Visual Code app.
We are representing an animation video in PowerPoint. PowerPoint is animation is a set of slides.
From 9th E, I have made generation of computer. The first generation of computer is ENIAC. The period of first generation is 1946 to 1959. The first generation computer components is वैक्यूम ट्यूब।
हम लोग यहाँ पर स्टैटिक वेबसाइट को बनाया है जिससे हम लोग इन्फॉर्मेशन को बहुत लार्ज अमाउंट में हम इसको भेज सकते हैं, जैसे कि यहाँ पर हम लोग HTML में बता
This model is based on upon cyber security. As you can see that this is the
तो इसमें हम लोग बनाया है जार्विस AI एक जो वर्क करता है
model based on the cyber security. In cyber security we have many threats like viruses, ransomware attack, phishing attack.
Good morning. Today we have prepared a model based on generations of computer, and it was very large in size. It took even a room for setup, and its processing speed was very slow.